Welcome to the wild world of the grey wolf. These magnificent beasts roam from the frigid Arctic to the dense forests of North America and Eurasia. They're carnivores at heart, feasting on large hoofed mammals such as deer and elk. Now, the grey wolf is a creature on the brink, listed as endangered or threatened in certain regions. It's our job to protect them, to ensure their howls echo through the wilderness for generations to come. Should you ever encounter one, remember, stand tall, maintain eye contact, but never run. They're more scared of you than you are of them. If you're captivated by the power and beauty of predators, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. Together, we can continue exploring the wonders of the animal kingdom. Until next time, stay wild.